Why are microservices vital for SaaS scalability requirements? Imagine trying to grow a business by building a giant, single brick wall. If one part of the wall cracks, the whole thing could fall apart. That's what a traditional monolithic software system is like. Now picture breaking that wall into smaller, individual bricks that can be replaced or fixed separately. That's what microservices do for software. They split a large application into smaller, independent parts that can work on their own. In the world of software as a service, or SaaS, this approach is a game changer. Scalability means the ability of the software to handle more users, more data, and more transactions without slowing down. If you use a monolithic setup, scaling one part often means scaling the entire system. That can be expensive and slow, especially when only a small part needs more resources. Microservices solve this problem by letting each part of the application grow on its own. For example, if your user login system gets a lot of traffic, you can just add more resources to that specific service. You don't need to touch the billing or notification services. This targeted scaling saves money and makes your system more responsive to demand. Plus, microservices speed up how quickly you can develop and release new features. Different teams can work on separate services at the same time without waiting for others. This means faster updates and quicker responses to customer needs. It also helps your system stay reliable. If one microservice fails, the rest keep working. This keeps your SaaS platform up and running, even when problems happen. Security is another reason microservices are important. Because each service is isolated, a security breach in one doesn't automatically compromise the whole system. You can also apply security measures tailored to each service's needs. This makes your SaaS safer against cyber threats. Technologically, microservices give you the freedom to choose the best tools for each part. You can develop one service in one programming language and another in a different one, depending on what works best. This flexibility makes it easier to adopt new technologies over time. In practical terms, microservices support both horizontal scaling, which adds more instances across servers, and vertical scaling, which increases resources like CPU or memory for a specific service. This adaptability helps your SaaS meet changing demands efficiently. To sum up, microservices are vital for SaaS scalability because they allow you to grow each part of your system independently, reduce costs, speed up development, improve reliability, and strengthen security. They give your platform the agility to expand smoothly while keeping performance high and costs manageable.